Welcome to Boostpad Academy Computer Training course. In this video series, I'm going to teach Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. How do we work with all these three programs is what this tutorial focused on. This is the introductory part. So, for us to know about computer, we have to know the basic knowledge about the computer. What is a computer? So, like the general definition usually given to the pupils in school, computer can be defined as what? As an electronic machine that accepts data through input devices, process the data, and gives out information through output devices. So the question we are going to ask ourselves is that, why is computer an electronic device? Computer is an electronic device because it uses electricity, that is, it requires voltage before a computer can work. That's the reason why the portable computer like the laptop, there is always a battery to power it up. Then we said it is what? It accepts data through input devices. So what are input devices? What is input device? So input device, these are devices that is used in sending data to the computer. So anything we want to put something to the computer, whatever device we use to put that into the computer, we call it input device. So what is output device? So just like input device, there are some devices we use to retrieve data from the computer system. Like the screen we are looking at, in which we are reading from, is an example of output device. So output devices are being defined as what? Devices used to retrieve information from the computer system. Then what is the difference between data and information? If you remember, we said data to the computer through input device, while we receive information through output device. Why do we call it data? Why do we call it information? What is the difference between these two? So data means raw fact, while information means processed data. That is, all the data we have in the paper, we input them to the computer letter by letter. As we are inputting them, so the computer will put the letters together to give information which we are reading on the screen. That's the reason why we said we use input devices like the keyboard we are typing, like the mouse we are used to control the arrow, so we can see the mouse pointer dancing. So those are the examples of input device, while the screen we are reading from is an output device. So that is where we stop on the first video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others as we will be progressing. In the next video, I will be discussing about the components of a computer system. What are the components of a computer system? That is what I will be discussing in the next video.